Kumana na wingi wa namba ya mbunge nene kuvitukithya mutalatala wa kumuvetanga kuma uvisini munini wa musumbi yiiweta makoani oonthe ala mutalatalani uw'o ula utongoeyetwe ni muyumbe wa Kibwezi cha uthuiloni wa sula wakili Mwengi Mutuse mena uito munene na yu munini wa President Rigathi Gachagua nukulasimika kualyula sula na kuisya kwa Kwikwatya munene mbunge ya Senate kana ni kuvitukithya mutalatala kwa withianu no kana kukwata aki na ethi watiu aitambukia mbatukani cia Korti kumanda aki Itina wakululumilelia ndeyumbanite kutia wia yiiweta makoani oonthe ala ukukonanw'a namo mutalatalani uw'o ni makwililwa ni nthu ciake cia kiuteti na kana maina uw'o ona vanini ni livoti ya Ikumbi ya Siasa na Benjamin Mwaka.
The mood in the house is such that it's already fine.
Munini wa President Rigathi Gachagus nuneyumilie kwa masaili mbe wa yumbe kwi wake ili kutetea muungamo wake waniki wa ile kwitikilwa kuendea kwikala uvisini.
In accordance with Article 2 of the Power Sharing Agreement, ANC at Fort Kenya would have a 30% share is a word, of the national government positions. This drives my utterances about shareholding.
The results of the division on the motion are as follows. Abstentions 1. The noes 44. The ayes 281. So the ayes have it.
Ateo kwa kula ya ayumbe ala ingi maneli na miongunana na ili mavitukithya kukwata mbavu mutatala wa kumukudhu wa kuma uvisini mutalatala ula yuwimbe wa Maseneta na ukambia kwithukiwa wakatatu uukite.
All you need in law is to believe that Rigathi Gachagua has committed crimes. That is the threshold.
Kenyans have said that Kitwisen in particular said, kufa makanga, kufa ndereva, kufa mechanic.
Mr. Speaker, if we have to find a situation where a school has failed, you do not fire the deputy principal. You get rid of the principal.
It is nothing but a shambolic political scheme to hang the truthful man for merely being truthful. Honorable Speaker.
Na ate okichonthe kiende munini wa President Rigathi Gachagus kwisla wakili wa Senior Counsel Paul Mwite ethitwe mbatukanuni cia Korti ya yukitia aki gukonya maunungu ni cialo kueta wilili tumoseleke kwianana na Gachagua ni kanese ya wasanya wa maoni kwa NND ya inaguyananu nikwithwa woni wake ulwa mutalatala uw'o yanengana kwa NND keli sesori atoiwe na mituki na kwa ivinde kuve na vena mamilioni ma NND matako ni kumya maoni mo Gachagua wengine ukulite Korti yele siondo nyuvi wa andu mbe wa milioni mwanza kula nene betu utona kukwanywa ni ayumbe tamana tatu katwa makulyo angekauta.
How do you conduct civic education and take to the voters only one side of the matter, the allegations, before you give the subject of impeachment the opportunity to state? Then you take both the allegations and the answer to the citizens so that they can make an informed decision.
On the basis, Your Lordship, is that the National Assembly is now functus official. The invitations before you, Your Lordship, seeks to interrogate the conduct of that organ that is now functus official.
You've been told the issues we raised have been overtaken by events. My Lord, anything done contrary to the Constitution is a nullity if the court agrees.
Munini wa President kwa nenu wake wa muthia kwa numbazi onaicho wa mauvombe wa kuthikuitetea mbungeni ni walumileile kana ndeyumbanije kutangasa kutia wia na kana eukiti yake kwanzia sionthe ena mwikio nukukwata usindi.
When I called this press conference, there was a lot of speculation that Rigathi Gachagua wants to resign. This is a man elected by 7.2 million Kenyans. How dare you suggest to him that he can do so without public participation? I have no intention whatsoever to resign from this job. I'll fight to the end. I have tremendous respect for our judiciary and the professional judges of the High Court, the Court of Appeal, and the Supreme Court. And in the professional manner, they have handled serious issues affecting Kenya. The impeachment of a deputy president elected by 7.2 million Kenyans is not a small matter that can hastily be decided by a few members of parliament and senators and wish it away. I'll submit myself to independent institutions to get justice. And I'm sure, I have no doubt in my mind that I'll get justice. And this impeachment will be thrown out. And I'll carry out my duties as deputy president. That is why anybody sending feelers to me to resign is a joker.
Na yunze ile itialite savalini ake ya kumanda uw'o ni ile be heithwa Kwikwatya Senate ni kuvitukithya na thinenga na usilwa aki.
One thing that the Senate will do, it is going to give adequate time to both parties. That's the much we are going to do as a Senate. No party will leave the Senate complaining about inadequacy of time to plead their case.
Nakeli kiyo chake ni kisiya matunda chumwani ki balako tuayulu witikilo kuli wake wa makoani oonthe makusiya kuvitangwa kwake kuma uvisini methukiwe ni bench ya asili ya 3 alama ikwatiwa kutangaswa ni musilimwetu wa makoani mwandu Justice Martha Koome une Itina wakotuayulu kwitikila ikuani thithi na uito munene kukonye ivenge nasi yake katiba.
It is my considered opinion that these petitions raise weighty constitutional questions that fall under Article 163 B and D2. Hence, I am persuaded to refer them to the Chief Justice for empanelment of a bench. The failure by the standing orders to integrate or provide for any mechanism for public participation and or a framework to credibly authenticate the outcome of public participation process were some of the issues that the petition has raised. Considering the immense public interest that this matter has generated, and being the first of its kind in Kenya where the Deputy President of the Republic is being removed by process of impeachment, it is my considered opinion that this matter deserves the input of a bench so as to pronounce itself on the process that is constitutionally compliant to serve as a benchmark for future undertakings of this.
Nilivoti ya Ikumbi ya Siasa, nilivoti ya vilingwa mauv'o kumava kaunti Nairobi. Nye nito Benjamin Mwakam.